Oh, hey there. It's me, voiceover pen. And in this episode of Paper Peculiar, Mr. Marlowe challenged me to make a fully decorated journal in 45 minutes. There were a couple of rules. I was allowed to gather my supplies beforehand, but once the timer started, there were no edits. What happened, happened. I may speed up some of the slower parts so you don't have to watch me ink paper for 5 minutes straight, but nothing will be cut out, including the pen versus the Brad moment, where I thought using tweezers would speed up the process. Boy, was I wrong. I also didn't turn my microphone on since I thought talking would slow the crafting down, but you'll hear me asking Mr. Marlowe to help at one point, as that was picked up by my phone's mic. I decided to leave that in so you can experience the challenge in real time. The plan is to make a 9-inch by 4.5-inch slim checkbook style journal. Do I get it done? Let's watch and see. Can you open this tape for me, please? Voiceover pen here again. One little time-saving trick I used was pre-threading my needle with about twice as much baker twine as I needed. That way, after sewing in the first signature, I simply cut the thread, leaving the needle already threaded and ready to go for the second signature. I also skipped using my awl to pre-poke the holes. Since I was only sewing through the scrapbook paper cover and 2 sheets of standard weight coffee-dyed copy paper, the needle went through easily enough on its own. It only saved a few seconds, but in the 45-minute challenge, every second counts. voiceover pen again. I'm just warning you, we're about to witness the battle of all battles. Pen versus the Brad. And for your viewing pleasure, I'm leaving this part at regular speed. Never have a problem with brads. Now all of a sudden I can't put the brad in the hole. Well, there we have it. A fully decorated 9-inch by 4.5-inch slim checkbook styled journal. finished in 39 minutes. I honestly wasn't sure I was going to pull that off, but 6 minutes to spare? I'll take it. Thanks for hanging out with me while I put myself through the challenge, and thanks to Mr. Marlowe for throwing it at me in the first place. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
The end.
Yeah.
39 minutes.